Good morning, student. Welcome back to our online classes. Student, today I am going to read new lesson. The name of lesson is Nasruddin's Aim. You also take out your book and read after me. First, we will read the whole chapter. Okay? Now follow me and read after me. One day, Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. He began to boast, "No one can match my skill in archery. I string the bow, take aim, and shoot the arrow. Whoosh! The arrow is sure to hit right on target." Hearing this, one of his friends immediately bought a bow and some arrows. Giving them to Nasruddin, he said, "Here, Nasruddin, take this bow and arrows." Then, pointing towards a target, he said, "Aim at that target and shoot an arrow." Nasruddin held the bow in his hand, strung it, aimed at the target, and shoot an arrow. Whoosh! The arrow did not hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. Ha ha ha! His friends started laughing. They said, "Hey Nasruddin, is this your best aim?" "Oh no, not at all," said Nasruddin, defending himself. "This wasn't my aim. It was Azad's aim. I just showed you how Azad shoots an arrow." Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Once again, he strung the bow, aimed the target, and shot the arrow. This time, the arrow fell a little further from where it had fallen before. Next page. Here. But it certainly did not hit the target. They asked Nasruddin, "And this must be how you shoot an arrow?" "Of course not," argued Nasruddin. "Even this aim was not mine. It was the chief guard's aim." Now somebody remarked, "Well, now who's next on the list?" Hearing this, all the friends burst out laughing. Nasruddin did not say a word. He quietly picked up one more arrow and again, and this time Nasruddin was really lucky. The arrow hit right on the target. Everybody started at Nasruddin, their mouths agape in amazement. Before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said triumphantly, "Did you see that? It was my aim." Now, student, you do the practice of reading of this lesson again and read the lesson very carefully, because after completing the lesson I will ask with you more few questions, true and false, and fill in the blanks, which you have to do yourself. Now I am going to explain today only this page. Nasruddin's aim. One day Nasruddin was chatting with his friend. Student, Nasruddin was a man and who don't know how to use a bow and arrow. Okay, he is not good in archery, but she boasted with his friend. Boasted means gossip, gappe marna. Okay, one day he was chatting with his friends. He began to boast, "No one can match my skill in archery." It means he is saying to his friends that no one can as good as me in archery. I string the bow, take aim and shoot the arrow. Whoosh! The arrow is sure to hit right on target. He boasted that he is very good in archery. He never fail to hit the target. Hearing this, one of his friends immediately bought a bow and some arrows. After his gossip, his one friend, so many friends were there, but only one friend immediately bring a bow and arrow, giving them to Nasruddin, and he gave bow and arrow to the Nasruddin, and he said, "Here Nasruddin, take this bow and arrows." Means take this bow and arrows and show us your skill in archery. Then his friend said, then pointing towards a target, he gave him a target also and said, "Aim at that target and shoot an arrow." He said, take the aim and shoot the target. Okay. Who said this? His friend. Nasruddin's friend said to hit the target. Now I am thinking कि I can explain this page also. Okay. Nasruddin held the bow in his hands, strung it, aimed at the target and shot an arrow. Nasruddin take the bow and arrows and he shoot the target. The arrow did not hit the target, but the arrow did not hit the target which his friends gave him. Instead, it fall down somewhere in the middle. The arrow not hit the target, it fell down somewhere else. Okay. After this, ha ha ha, his friend started laughing. His friend, whose friend? Nasruddin's friends start laughing. Why? Because Nasruddin not hit the target. Just before he was boasting with his friend कि I am very good in archery. That's why all friends start laughing. Oh, I see. This is your skill. They said. They said means all the friends said, hey Nasruddin, is this your best aim? Then Nasruddin said, oh no, not at all, said Nasruddin, defending himself. Now Nasruddin is defending himself. He is saying कि no, it is not my aim. This was not my aim. It was Azad's aim. Azad, I think Azad is his friend. He said कि that it is Azad's aim. Okay. I just show you how Azad shoot an arrow. He is defending himself and he is saying कि I am only showing to you कि how the Azad shoot an arrow. It means Azad cannot shoot a target. Okay. Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. After this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow again, and once again he strung the bow, aimed at the target and shot the arrow. This time the arrow fell a little further from where it had fallen before. Now again he not shoot the target. The arrow fell a little further from where it had fallen before. Means near the first arrow. Second arrow is also not hit the target and fell it near the first arrow. Okay. I hope you listen the explanation very carefully, and I request you to listen the explanation of lesson again because I will ask with you more questions with you. Okay. Now here your work which you have to submit on 4th July. In this lesson, you have to do difficult words, word meaning, fill in the blanks, true and false, reference to context, question answer, think and write, and make sentence. Okay, student? Now here your difficult words. I gave you only 7 difficult words, but you have to do 5 more difficult words. You have to find out the difficult words from the lesson which we read. Then you have to write here the difficult words. First is chatting, archery, string, target, defending, amazement, triumphantly. Now 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. You have to do yourself. You have to find the more 5 difficult words, and after finding the difficult words you write here. Okay, and pay attention. You start your difficult words with a small letter. Don't start with capital letter. Okay. Your second work is word meaning. This is your second word. Chatting. To talk in a friendly way. Archery. Shooting with bow and an arrow. Target. The aim of an attack. Defending. To protect from harm, danger. Amazement. A feeling of great surprise or wonder. Triumphantly. Having achieved victory. These are your word meaning. Okay, and you have to do 5 more word meaning here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This is your homework which you have to do yourself. Find out the hard words, difficult words and write down. Then after that do 5 more word meaning. You can take help from the dictionary. Okay student, now thank you. We will meet in our second part of Nasruddin's aim. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.